Welcome to Viewable, DIY Smart Homes Made Easy. I'm reviewing the Aeotec Doorbell 6 today. Thanks to Aeotec for providing us this review sample. Now this is a smart doorbell that works on the Z-Wave platform. It works as a standard wireless doorbell using the 433 MHz frequency to communicate between the bell button and the chime unit. But when you add the chime unit to your Z-Wave controller, you get a smart doorbell. When the bell button is pushed, the chime rings, lights up, and sends a notification to your Z-Wave controller. You can use this trigger to then activate scenes or run events such as turning on porch lamps, recording a camera, and sending you a push notification. The chime is designed to run on AC power, but has an emergency rechargeable backup battery built in. The bell button has a small LED at the top that lights up when the button is pressed, and it runs off a 3-volt button cell. The chime unit has a 105 decibel speaker and a 1000 lumen LED light in the front. There are 30 preloaded tones, and you can also use the chime unit as a siren. The siren controls will be shown as an action in your home automation software. Adding the Doorbell 6 to your smart home network is easy. Just put your Z-Wave controller into inclusion mode. I'm using the excellent HomeSeer HS3 home automation software running on a 13-year-old Dell laptop. Press the action button on the back of the doorbell. The doorbell will create 5 separate devices in HS3. 1. The main device called the AV controller. 2. A home security device which shows the tamper detection status. 3. A power management device which displays low battery warnings. 4. A siren notification which triggers when the bell button is pushed. And finally 5. An action device that you can use to control volume and play any of the 30 tones on demand. So what's the verdict? The Aeotec Doorbell 6 is a great smart doorbell. Just like all my other Aeotec Z-Wave devices, it's got good range, it's responsive, there were no delays or missed commands. It's easy to install and all the required bits and bobs are provided. There is a rich variety of tones to choose from and it works well with HS3. On the other hand, the chime battery won't last long without AC power. It is difficult to do advanced customization such as changing the number of times the bell chimes or the LED blinking pattern. Also, there didn't seem to be a way to activate just the chime LED. But these are minor quibbles. Overall, this is a superb doorbell that we highly recommend.